Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or let me say welcome to all my new viewers that have been subscribing over the last few days. I am at 200 subscribers and I'm super happy. Thank you so much, guys. I'm at road to 500, which I might be doing a giveaway, so stay tuned. And thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed and who has been supporting me up until now. So let's get into today's video. It is a Tickled Pink haul. So this is a cuticle oil from them. I already had their products before, so I'm just testing out some more. This is the top gloss and the matte top coat. Absolutely love them. I love the top gloss more. The matte top coat has some yellowing, like when I put it on, it goes on yellow. I don't know if it's I don't know, but I have these acrylics plus one more. I have their clear acrylic and a glitter acrylic from them. So I have tested them out before, and I purchased some more products just to do a little bit more testing. So for the clear acrylic, it's called Ice Queen. I absolutely love that clear. It's almost empty. That's what I'm showing you right here. I purchased the bigger size jar, which I'll show you. Okay, so this is their card, their social media information, their little message, stuff like that. I love the reflective logo. That's a sticker. Okay, first things first, this is a free gift. They were doing some packing on TikTok live, and anyone from that live that purchased, they would put like free gifts in there. So I believe they call this a pop socket, where you would place it on your phone. This is it. I've never had one of these before, so I was trying to see how it worked. So yeah. Okay, so they packaged each one of the gel polishes in bubble wrap, and I bought their nail liquid and some more acrylic. Also bought another cuticle oil, because their cuticle oil is they use the Japanese cherry blossom. Oh, this is also a free gift. These are the acrylics. Yeah, so Japanese cherry blossom, which they say it only blooms once a year, so they won't have this all the time. So these are the acrylics, and one more. This is a free gift. Their nail art brush, number 2. Okay, so yeah, so I purchased a second one. I really do love their cuticle oil. Absolutely love it. The nail liquid or monomer that they have, it comes in a tin bottle, not your traditional plastic. But okay, get into the packaging. Reflective writing, beautiful. At the top it has some rhinestones in it. Beautiful. Love the square bottle. That's my old one. It's empty now. And this is my new top gloss, primer, and prep. I'm gonna test those out in another video. And let's get into the colors. So this is my first time testing out their gel polish. Each gel polish has the color in that flower. Beautiful touch. And some of the shades are not the shades, the consistency is a thin consistency, which is good. Some is medium, some is a little thicker. So yeah. Okay, for this one, I realized that if you can see the orange, it's like right there and the rest of the flower is empty. And when you move it like that, it fills it up. That's pretty cool, I must say. By far my absolute favorite design in a gel polish. Absolute favorite. This orange, I love this orange. I think it was the red that was thick. The red was super thick than all the other colors, and I purchased this for like a flesh tone when I do my drawings on my nail. I'll pop up a picture of some that I have. The Kakashi one, the first one that I'm gonna show you, I have finished that set, but I'm doing another anime, but I haven't finished it as yet. And for this Ichiko set, I used the Tickled Pink gel polishes. So the ones that I'm showing you now, I only used those for the set so far. Here I'm showing you that there's white on the tip of the brush. It's a little blurry, but there's definitely white there. I'm not sure how that got there, if the purple wasn't mixed in good enough, but it's not a big deal. So far the gel polishes are great. They're pigmented. I absolutely love them. This red was super thick, but it glides on the nail. It's not streaky. So yeah, there I'm showing you how thick it is. All of these are one coat, and it's perfect enough for one coat. The recommended coats is 2 coats of polish, cured in between each layer, but 1 coat is definitely pigmented enough. When I do my anime press-ons, I usually use 1 coat of the background color and then draw over it. So yeah, this is very thin, but I love it. You can build it up and it's beautiful and glittery. It's perfect. Okay guys, so I'll be using my brush to guide the liquid into my dapping dish, and I have another bottle that I'm gonna throw this acrylic liquid in. This is the swatch of the 3 acrylics that I got. This is Innocence. So let me tell you about these acrylic powders, okay? They're great to use. You'll pick up a consistent bead every time. If you want it more watery, you definitely can get that. If you want it more, if you want it stiffer, you definitely can get that. Consistency is great, pigment is great, like everything's great. The only problem I have is the acrylic dries super fast. Now, I would still consider myself a beginner, and I am not so fast with acrylic application. So if that's you, I wouldn't recommend getting these acrylic. I would recommend starting with something more slow sitting, because these dry really quick. If you're a little bit more advanced or you prefer a fast sitting acrylic, I would 100% recommend this brand. The monomer as well, I've been testing it out for a few days now. I have tried it about 5 different times since I've got it. The smell isn't that intense. It's there, but it I think it takes a little while to fill the room, and it's not so strong. So yeah, A+ for the monomer. I'm doing some ice cream nails, and I'm doing mint chocolate chip for the flavor. I'm doing the cone right here. Yeah, I'll just let you guys watch the rest of this, but just to recap on these, the gel polishes, perfect. The acrylic, it's great, but it's great for advanced acrylic users. The black, consistency of the black is perfect. It's easy to work with. It's not super fast drying. The clear is the same thing. It's not super fast drying like the other acrylics. You can work with it in a wetter consistency or drier consistency, and you still have a little bit of time to mold it. So I have no problem with those two colors. But the mint as well, sometimes it gives you time to mold it, sometimes it just dries quick. But guys, look at what I'm about to do. This happens when your powder is close to your liquid, okay? Your brain tricks you. This is I did this about 2 times for this set. Look at it. Dip it right into the powder. Anyways, that's it for me. Oh, last thing, the ombre, because I'm gonna do an ombre. It never works out for me when I try to do an ombre with this brand. It just never works out. This is not my first time trying to do an ombre with it. I probably did it, this might be my 2nd or 3rd time. I think it just dries too quick. By the time I ombre the colors down, like it's already a mess. But anyways, I do hope you guys enjoy the rest of this video. If you have made it to here so far and you haven't subscribed, please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.